Welcome. This is a video in the series, How to Rumble. In this video I will show you how to find a comment or reply after a notification. How to find a comment after a notification. Open your mail with the notification. Click on the blue-colored video link in the mail. On a PC, laptop or tablet, it will take you directly to the comment or reply. It doesn't work directly on a phone or if you use the notification bell at the top right. It only takes you to the video page. The only way to find it again is manually. That is not easy and time-consuming. Hopefully Rumble will fix this in the near future. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a like and join my channel to watch more tutorials about how to Rumble. Thanks again, and if you have a question, please use the comment box here below.